Hi everyone, this is Nikki. In this mini tutorial, I'm going to introduce how to book meeting rooms through Office 365. It's our hope that in the future we will book all the meeting rooms through Office 365. First of all, you have to log into Office 365 and then go here and then go to Calendar. So once you open your calendar, you click on the day when you want to use this room, or you click any of the open spaces, space on your calendar. So go to the open event here on the top corner, click it, and then fill in the details here. So Nikki meeting, and then add a locational room. Normally it doesn't show all the rooms, but if you click add room, and then it will show all the rooms in the whole school campus, in the whole Puxi campus. And normally it takes a while to load. There are two options: available rooms and all rooms. It doesn't matter if it is available room or all rooms is the same. So let's say we choose aquarium room, and then the date Wednesday, October the 10th, Wednesday, and from 11 to 11:30. If I want to repeat it every other week, so go to other, weekly, every 2 weeks, and save. And we want it to run through the whole school year. So we go to June, the 12th, and then you decide if you want the reminder on what it shows here. And then if you have any meeting participants you want to invite, put their names here, John, Lucy, and then send it, and you're done. Thank you. If you have any questions, just let me know.